hot. Let's go drink some water. Hey, what happened to him? Krishna, look, what happened to our friend? Wait, how did Krishna do that?
Now the time has come to bring an end to this Leela.
Krishna, don't go there.
I have come to free this sacred Yamuna from your poison, Kaliya.
We must inform Nand Baba. Kanhaiya has gone towards the Yamuna river, where the serpent Kaliya lives.
Krishna, my child. He is none other than the Supreme Lord himself. Krishna, the divine child.
Yashoda, your son is no ordinary boy.
Now, no one can stop me from fulfilling this vow. Leave this river and go far away, Kaliya. Your arrogance, which I crushed under my feet, will never rise again.